Hello there, my name's Edgar. Core by Premier Software has a function whereby you can send out a report on a regular basis. Whether that is to a site manager or someone else in the business, the report can be sent with ease with a little setup. Therefore today I will be showing you precisely how to do this using Core. First, log into Manager if you're a single site business or Administrator if you are multi-site. Next, click the Reports icon. You will be greeted with an array of reports categorized into different sections. The first are reports listed under the Bills section, including those for end of day, cancellations and more. There will be even more categories available as you scroll down the list, including revenue breakdown, statistics, stock, staff, clients and everything in between. First, highlight the desired report, such as non-arrival. You will see a list of options on the right. Select the applicable region and site using the drop-down arrows or click All Selectable from the available options. Next, select the date range you would like to run the report for under the Dates drop-down menu. Should you wish to run a report involving a particular staff member, select the staff member from the Staff drop-down menu. Finally, select any other options you would like to include and, if you would like all the available dates for the selected options, click the detailed tick box under Report Type. This will provide even more details for the standard amount. Once you are ready to view the report, head to the bottom right and click the printer icon. You will be presented with the report details. To automatically schedule this report to your or another's inbox, scroll to the bottom and click the alarm clock button. Next, input the email address of the person you would like the report sending to. You can also select if you would like the report as a Word document or PDF using the Format drop-down box. Next, under Schedule, click the blue Change text. If you would like to schedule the report to send as a one-off, click to send this at a specific time on a set date and time. If you'd like to send this report at a regular interval, click this option and you will be greeted with further options. Set how often you would like this to be sent, such as every week, and then set the day and time for this to be sent. Finally, set a name for the scheduled report so you can identify it later in your system. Click the green tick once you are done. You can manage any of these saved scheduled reports under the General section, then under Scheduled Jobs. Simply right-click the report and click to disable it should you wish to pause the sending at any point, or click Enable to re-enable the report. You may wish to schedule a variety of reports, such as commission to find out the amount of commission in the previous week, or an end-of-week report to be sent every Monday. Whatever the case may be, it may be worth saving your most regular reports to find easier. To do this, highlight the report and click the Add to Favorites button in the bottom left. This will now appear in the Favorites tab at the top. Now you know how to set up automated reports using Core. Why not subscribe to our YouTube channel for other regular Core videos? For more details about Core, you can also visit www.premier-core.com or follow us on Twitter at Core by Premier and LinkedIn at Premier Software Solutions. In the meantime, why not watch these other Core videos to help lift your business? Take care and thank you for watching.